Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss. This will benefit college students and anyone looking to achieve financial success. In this video, we'll be sharing our top 10 tips for achieving personal finance success in college and beyond. So, let's dive right in.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Our first tip is to create a budget. It's crucial to know how much money is coming in and going out each month. Start by listing your income sources, such as part-time jobs, scholarships, or allowances. Then track your expenses, including rent, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. This will help you allocate your funds wisely and avoid overspending. Tip number two is to minimize debt. College can be very expensive, and it's tempting to take out loans to cover tuition and living expenses. However, try to limit your borrowing and explore other options like grants and scholarships. If you do take out loans, be responsible and only borrow what you need. Remember, the less debt you have, the more financially secure you'll be in the long run. Our third tip is to prioritize savings. Even on a tight budget, it's important to save money regularly. Set aside a portion of your income each month into a savings account. This will help you build an emergency fund for unexpected expenses and establish healthy saving habits for the future. Next up is tracking your expenses. It's really easy to lose track of where your money goes, especially when you're busy with classes and social activities. Take advantage of budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets to monitor your spending. By doing so, you'll identify areas where you can cut back and save more effectively. Tip number five is to take advantage of student discounts. Many businesses offer special deals and discounts exclusively for students, whether it's for textbooks, software, or entertainment. Always ask if there's a student discount available. It may seem like a small amount at the time, but those savings can really add up over the course of your college years. Our next tip is to cook at home. Eating out can quickly drain your finances, so try to prepare your own meals as much as possible. Not only will this save you money, but it's also a healthier option. Plan your meals ahead of time, make a shopping list, and stick to it. You'll be surprised by how much you can save by avoiding restaurants and takeout. Tip number seven is to find a part time job. Balancing work and studies can be challenging, but a part time job can provide valuable income and work experience. Look for on campus jobs, internships, or freelance opportunities that align with your schedule and interests. Just remember to manage your time effectively to avoid compromising your academic performance. Building good credit is essential for your financial future. Tip number eight is to build your credit responsibly. Start by opening a student credit card or a secured credit card and use it wisely. Make small purchases and pay off your balance in full each month to establish a positive credit history. This will benefit you when applying for loans, renting an apartment, or even buying a car in the future. Our ninth tip is to invest in yourself. College is a time for personal and professional growth. Take advantage of the resources available to you, such as career counseling, workshops, and networking events. Invest in your education and skills that will increase your earning potential in the long run. Remember, your education is one of the most valuable investments you can make. Last but not least, set long term financial goals. Think about where you want to be financially in 5, 10, or 20 years. Set realistic goals and create a plan to achieve them, whether it's saving them for a down payment on a house or starting a retirement fund. Having a clear vision will keep you motivated and focused on achieving personal finance and success. And there you have it, our top 10 tips for achieving personal finance success in college and beyond. Remember, financial responsibility starts right now, and the habits you build in college will carry you through your adult life. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way for financial independence and a brighter future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay financially savvy.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.